packing machinery. Today I will introduce the machine is the triangle T-bag, inner bag and outer bag packing machine. First, you can see the inner bag material. We usually use the nylon or no woven. And if you want to for export, we recommend you to use the degradable material such as corn fiber. And the outer bag material, we usually recommend to use the aluminum composite or the paper composite and aluminum paper composite or the plastic film. And the inner bag packing packing weight is also to 1 to 5 grams or 1 to 7 grams. Next, I will to introduce this machine, the main part of this machine. The first part is the inner bag pack machine, and the second part is the chain bucket conveyor belt, and the third part is the outer bag pack machine. First, we can see the inner bag pack machine. This is the machine device. It's the spiral wing scale. It will equipped with 4 hopper. You can use the one material in a machine with 4 hopper, or you can to machine mixed material in 4 hopper. 1 hopper to machine 1 material. If you measure 1 material in 4 hopper at the same time, the packing speed is very faster, and this measuring device is very accurate. The area doesn't excess 0.5 grams, and second the device is the ultrasonic sealing device. You can see the inner bag sealing by the ultrasonic is very tightly and very beautiful. And the knife edge cut, we can set it rotate. If it is set rotate, the back shape is like this, is the triangle. If you set the knife is not rotate, the back type is the 4-side bag. So you can all set it by the PLC control system. This PLC control system can also set the speed of this packing machine, and you can also to set the language of this device. You can set Spanish and other language. All the language you want, you can set it. The speed of this machine is also usually the stable speed is 35 per minute, so it's very fast. And when the inner bag was finished, it will fall into the chain. It will fall into this chain bucket conveyor belt, and it will up and to fall into this bag making device. And we also equipped stepping this equipment to prevent the inner bag stuck in this bag making machine. So it and finally the bag is the outer packing machine. The outer bag packing machine we equip this coding device. You can print the date on the out bag. So this when the heat sealing finished, the out bag will finish. The out bag is like this. The out bag will complete it. Is a three-side out bag type. In addition, I want to introduce the optional machine. First equipment, this machine is the pneumatic, so we should to equip the air compressor. And the secondly, optional equipment, you can see this feeding lowering is very high, so we recommend to equip the lever for the manual to loading. And the third, the inner bag packing machine we can sold separately. So if you want to packing the inner bag directly into a box, so we can equip our containing machine. Finally, I want to introduce several advantages of this machine. And the first advantage is the machine we have 1 year warranty for entire machine and 2-year warranty for the spare part. And the machine standard we all based on the German standard. And have the required function we also have, but the price very low is very lower compared with the Germany made in Germany. And our quality is very accurate. It's also accurate. We have the CE certificate and other relevant certificates. And the other advantage is we have agents all over the world, so you don't have to worry if you are bored, you inconvenience to replace some spare part of this machine. And if you're in China, we can send engineer to go to your factory to provide the after sale. And the other advantages we can to provide the out-bag design for you for free, and we also can buy the inner bag material or the outer bag material for you, and the price is definitely not too higher for the market price, so you don't have to worry. And if you have any other idea, we also have the professional R&D team can design a plane for you. So if you have any other doubt, please connect with me. Thanks for your watching.